Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Stay Creative. Today let's make a simple wall decor with affordable white cement. So let's start. We'll take a white cement and water and mix it together. And we'll make a fine paste with a good consistency. Mix it properly. There should not be any lumps. Then take a foil and just pour the mixture of white cement and water on it and give it a good shape of circle, a proper circle. Keep that mixture with foil for 24 hours. When it will dry, it will look like this. I have made it already. On this we will use acrylic colors yellow and orange and give a base coat. I am mixing both yellow and orange together and just giving a shading effect. For proper blending, I will use a sponge. You can see with the sponge the color get properly blended. Both the colors are looking proper. I'll color the outer edges too. After coloring, let it dry. When it will dry, we will take green and black acrylic color and with the toothpick and brush or stick we'll make dot art or mandala art on it. Now just take a pencil and with the bottom of the pencil just mark a small circle on the middle of I'm using green and black combination on yellow. With the toothpick, I'll make small dots. For variable size, I'm using every tool like brush, toothpick, pencil, and a stick. For another size of dot, I'll use a brush and with the bottom of the brush, I'll make the dots. So it's ready, and I have made already another one. I am going to install it with two-side tape near my entrance door. It is renter friendly and very affordable. Yeah, it is installed, so you can see how it looks.